Listen, there's a flood coming, Finny. We'll drown if we don't leave.
But all animals shall be saved.
All animals are welcome on the ark.
Yes!
As long as you're on Noah's list.
Well, almost all.
I'm sorry, Finny. We're not on the list.
Ah, I knew they'd turn us away.
Noah's Ark is their only salvation.
You really think this is gonna work?
We'll get on the ark. You'll see.
This isn't my husband. You're not the only ones who want to board.
This way, if you please, Mr. and Mrs. Grimp.
See? Told you we'd get on the ark.
This isn't the ark. What? This isn't the ark!
Hold on, Finny! Finny?
Hey! Wait!
Children? What children?
Where's my daughter?
Finny? Oh.
Leah!
Finny?
The untold story
But my son, he's all I have.
of the animals that didn't get on the ark.
I don't think anyone will miss a little... Nestrian! You can't do this!
An adventure of legendary proportions.
Wait a second. Dinner's coming.